This video will show you how to safely put your baby in a car seat and into a car. We show you how you should practice with a doll before using your car seat for the first time. All babies must be in a rear-facing car seat until they are 2 years old. It is best to use a new car seat. Babies under 2 years old must not be in a front-facing car seat. This is how a car seat manual looks. This is how a rear-facing car seat looks. For infant carrier, this is the handle. This is the base. This is a label. This is the path that the belt follows. These are the lower anchor connectors. This is a harness strap. This is the harness clip. This is the buckle. This is the bottom strap. This is the angle of the car seat. There are also other car seats that can be used rear-facing. Practice using the car seat before you put the car seat in the car for the first time. Put the baby in the seat. Make sure the buckle strap is not twisted. Make sure the harness strap is not twisted. Buckle the baby into the buckle strap. Connect both sides of the harness clip. Move the harness clip so it is at the baby's armpit level. Pull the bottom strap until the harness strap is tight. Test to make sure the harness strap is tight. If you can pinch the harness strap at the baby's shoulders, the harness strap is too loose. If the harness straps are above the shoulders, look at your manual to fix them or get help. Now you are ready to put the car seat in the car. You must use the seat belt or lower anchor connectors to put the car seat in the car. Do not use both the seat belt and lower anchor connectors. Your car seat will have a label on it that shows you how to put your car seat into the car. Using a seat belt to put a car seat in the car. Put the seat belt strap through the holes in the base and click into the buckle. It should make a clicking noise. Pull to secure it tightly. There are different ways a seat belt is used to put the car seat in the car. Using the lower anchor connectors to put a car seat in the car. Cars have different types of connectors that can be used with the lower anchor connectors on car seats. Pull lower anchor connectors out of the base of the car seat and click them into the connectors of the car. Your car seat is now in your car with the seat belt or lower anchor connectors. Next, you will need to check the angle of the car seat. Put your baby in the car seat like you practiced. Move the car seat handle into the right position for driving. Check your manual. Check the car seat angle with baby in the seat. Fixing the car seat angle. If you need to fix the car seat angle, take the baby out of the car. Some car seats have an adjustable foot you can move to fix the car seat angle. Your baby is now put in the car seat correctly. As your baby grows, you will need to make changes to the car seat to keep them safe. Get help. Check your car seat. It's free. Always check your car seat manual and vehicle manual for more information.